Have you ever felt like your quaint establishment has the temperament of a moody teenager, throwing surprise tantrums just when you thought things were sailing smoothly? Yep, we're talking about the M word, maintenance. What can you do? Welcome to the Beds, Breakfasts, and Business Podcast, where crisp sheets meet crisp strategies. I am your host, Jerry McPherson. Whether you're running a B&B wonderland or just dreaming out the perfect porch for those morning muffins, you're in the right place. Dive in as we uncover the secrets of turning your haven into a must-stay destination. Make sure to subscribe. Ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. Now, a drip here and a creak there might seem small, but guess who's most likely to notice? Mrs. Jones in room 3, who will take it upon herself to mention it in her otherwise glowing TripAdvisor review. So here are some nifty tricks to keep Mrs. Jones' review squeaky clean. The crystal ball strategy. Schedule those regular checkups, from spooky attic noises to the basement age-old secrets. And keep it in a diary, not of your feelings, but of when you last replaced the coffee machine or fixed the garden tap. Guest feedback? Gold. If they tell you about a flickering light, thank them. It's like getting a cheat code to your own game. The rainy day fund. The boiler's gone kaput in the middle of winter. Panic not. Have a little savings jar labeled for unseen rainy days. And make friends with Bob, the local plumber, or Sally, the electrician. Not just for their riveting conversation, but they might just squeeze you in during those emergencies. Stay with me, and I'll share more ways to navigate maintenance costs, right after a word from our sponsor. Hey, B&B enthusiasts and passionate innkeepers. Ever dreamed of guests gushing over your breakfast spread, or that fireplace corner that they just can't get over? Let's make it happen. Dive into Inside Track, Mastering Your B&B's Business course. We've got 49 hands-on lessons spread across 11 jam-packed modules. Watch them, listen to them, or read them. It's all here, tailored for you. Here's the T. Total immersion, from perfecting those breakfasts to crafting memorable great stories. We've got you covered. Insider scoop. Ever wonder what turns regular B&Bs into the town's favorite hideaway? Let's unveil those secrets. Here's a sneak peek. You'll dive into industry introductions, B&B business plans, creating the ultimate guest experience, and even catching those future B&B trends, plus loads more. So whether you're sketching out that dream B&B or sprucing up your cherished inn, this is your golden ticket. Ready to take your B&B from great to OMG, I need to come back here. Dive into the Insider Track, Mastering Your B&B Business course, and let's turn those B&B dreams into raving guest reviews. Hit the enroll button, and let's create some B&B magic together. There's an app for that. From reminders to check on chimneys to making sure the roses are pruned, digital assistants can be lifesavers. If your B&B is like a mini village, get a system where your team can alert you to problems. Maybe set up the Drip Chronicles chat group. Check out Maintenance Care and sign up for free. The DIY Hero Kit. Stock up in the basics: a hammer, some nails, duct tape, lots of it, and perhaps fairy lights. Because why not? Address those little quirks immediately and save that late-night hardware store run. Don't play hide and seek. If there's some noisy work happening in a room acting up, give your guests the heads up. Being transparent can turn grumbles into nods of understanding. And remember, it's not just about fixing things, but creating a culture where everyone's looking out for the B&B's best interest. That way, everyone chips in to make sure your guests are humming praises instead of spotting problems. By the way, If you love these pearls of wisdom and want 25 more, grab our freebie, Crafting the Perfect Stay, 25 Essential Insights for B&B Breakfast Owners. It's on us. How do you stay on top of your property's maintenance? Let me know. In our next episode, I will be talking about pricing strategies. That's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Remember, it's more than just comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until then, sweet dreams and sweeter success. The Beds, Breakfasts, and Business podcast is part of the Keystone HPD network.